Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the muscles of the neck and the throat. Starting with the first muscle, we have the digastric muscle. Di from chew, gastric from belly. The digastric muscle, it has two bellies. We have the anterior belly, which runs anteriorly, and we have the posterior belly of the digastric muscle, which runs posteriorly. Also, the digastric muscle, it forms a D with the margin of the mandible. Moving to the second muscle, we have the mylohyoid muscle. The mylohyoid muscle, it is attached to the hyoid bone. The hyoid bone is the only bone in the body that does not articulate with another bone. However, it serves as an attachment site for many of the muscles of the tongue and the neck. So this is the mylohyoid muscle. Notice also it looks like an M letter. Moving to the third muscle, we have the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Sterno from sternum, cleido from clavicle, mastoid from the mastoid process of the temporal bone. So that is the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Moving to the fourth muscle, which is the stylohyoid muscle. The stylohyoid muscle, it runs between the styloid process of the temporal bone and the hyoid bone. Moving to the thyrohyoid muscle. Thyro from the thyroid cartilage. This is right here is the thyroid cartilage. Thyrohyoid, it runs between the thyroid cartilage and the hyoid bone. Moving to the sternothyroid muscle. Sterno, this muscle, if you follow the fibers, it runs between the sternum and the thyroid cartilage. So that is the sternothyroid muscle. Moving to the omohyoid muscle. The omohyoid muscle, it has two bellies. This is the superior belly of the omohyoid, and this is the posterior belly of the omohyoid. Moving to the sternohyoid. So we have the sternothyroid muscle and the sternohyoid muscle. The sternohyoid muscle, it runs between the sternum and the hyoid bone. This right here is the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and these are the scalene muscles. We have the anterior scalene muscle, middle scalene muscle, and the posterior scalene muscle.